Alright, so the very first thing I'm doing here is I'm establishing the outline that's going to be by the ear. You can see I'm combing the hair down and basically just cutting in this outline to be above the ear. My model is growing out her hair, so what we want to do is make it easy to grow. We've got to grow out the top first, so in the meantime, let's keep the underneath clean so it makes it easy to grow out. When you have a shaggy outline, it kind of makes growing out your hair a little bit harder, right? When you're going from short to long. There's always a phase when you're growing out your hair where it's going from short to long that becomes very difficult to style because it's not really doing anything. It's not short, it's not long. So what you have to do is create a haircut for that growing out period to make the growing out period easier to grow out. Alright, so now we are going to go through and layer a lot of the bulk out of the back. So, as we grow out the hair and as we're trimming up the outline, we don't want the interior to become very full and thick and look like a helmet or look like a bowl. So what we want to do is go through and lean it, give it a nice shape. But we want to keep the length on top. The top is what's going to grow down and be the part that needs to grow the most. So that hair on the tippity top is what we're trying to get longer. So in the meantime, we can keep the hair below the tippity top shorter so it looks clean. Once that hair on the tippity top starts to keep continuing to grow down, then from there we can start to grow the rest of the hair. So basically, keeping the top long, everything underneath the occipital bone shaping up so that makes the hair growing process much easier. Alright, so now I want to go through and clean up the outline to make the outline look nice and clean during the hair growing process. So I'm just taking the tips of my scissors and chipping in a desired outline that I'm looking for. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can see the length on top is starting to get longer, but the underneath is kept nice and tidy, nice and clean, making the hair growing process much easier through this transition. Well, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. Hey, maybe you're growing out your hair and you're wondering how to do it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and as always, I want to thank you so much again for watching.